Alright, I'm gonna open up some Mumbai specials here. See what we got. Got 2 watches in here. Just some information about how to treat watches, basically. And so much tape, and I didn't bring a knife. After the first layer of bubble wrap, we got a roll of foam, more tape. I wish I would have brought a knife with me. All that. M105 and A274, which apparently used to be M196. Pull this one out. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's not quite the watch that was pictured, I don't think. It looked like it had a green face in the listing. I'll put the pictures from the listing in the video here. Took right off. This should have a Citizen or Miyota 8200, I believe, movement in it. This is the other watch I got from the same seller, and the crown is polished. There's no ridges on the crown. It's like impossible to set. And I don't know if it's not getting wound adequately, but it's stopped a couple of times in the past couple of days. But pretty cool looking little Citizen here. I really don't think it's the one from the listing, which is unfortunate. I like green and it is black. Doesn't look terrible, however. Go ahead and power this up. I guess we gotta give it power to power it up. And let's see what we get. Huge beat error. A lot of time gained. Let's try it vertical with 12 o'clock facing up. Losing a bunch of time now. All right, and we'll try with 9 o'clock facing up. Unbelievable. The bezel just fell off. The bezel just fell off.
The bezel just fell off. The bezel just fell off.
Just sitting here. That's insane. Holy crap. I guess I'm glad I got that on video. hope that's the only piece there was. Alright. What the heck? What to expect out of the next one. Alright. So I'd consider that pretty much a fail. I will be requesting at least a partial refund on a watch like that. That's unbelievable. Holy crap. That's bothersome. Alright. Next one. Hopefully this one's a little bit better. Well, at least it's green. Well, just moving this around a little bit, it sprung to life. At any rate, this one was also supposed to be an 8200 movement, I believe. I'll pull the backs off of these and see what they say. Feels like there's a day wheel inside of there that is not exposed because it's not in the design of the watch, but two positions out. There we go. And setting seems to be okay. Put them in the setting position. Push in. And they're still in the setting position. You gotta turn while you push in to get them out. That may just be something with an 8200. I do not know. Telling some kind of time. Well, I hope the crystal doesn't jump off at me while it's in this position. It's kind of strange that both of these seem to be slightly more stable with 9 o'clock up than with 12 o'clock up, but not really. Still looks like some kind of modern art trying to happen here. I'm pretty pleased with this watch, other than the crown being, basically unusable with my fingers. There's a little scratch in the crystal, but it was $20. But even for $15, I wouldn't expect the crystal to just jump off of the watch. $15 is probably a small fortune in New Delhi. Try to take the back off of this without hitting the hands with my hand. This is not the watch from the listing. Both of the watches I purchased had like a round opening on the rotor. There might be some damage to that gear right there. I'll have to look at it under my scope and see. the seller about this particular piece. It is an 8200, but that rotor is not what I recall from the listing. We're just gonna leave this open for the moment. Oh, better not. With those hands, I don't want it to. All right, pop this one apart. This definitely looks like the watch from the listing, but this one, I don't have the listing except on my phone, which I'm using to film this, so I can't see it. That does not look like what I recall. I don't even think the case shape is the same. Okay, so this curved shape is what was present in the listing for both of these. And this says Miyota on it. And yeah, right there, Miyota 8205. I know I should be wearing finger cots, but I can't possibly put more fingerprints than are already present inside of here. All right, well, that's what I got today. Pretty disappointed in that one. I do like the look of this black face, but it is not what I bought.